Okay, so the purpose of this program here, this kangaroo, is that when I click the kangaroo, it will play this sequence of blocks here. So as you can see, there's this big block that says repeat 3, and then there's blocks inside of it. So we'll have, essentially, the kangaroo will jump forward a little bit. So if we click on the kangaroo, he jumps forward. So as you can see, he will go through different poses as you saw him changing through. And then in the middle of him jumping, he will move forward 30 steps. So because all of these blocks are in this repeat 3 block, it kind of surrounds them, it will play all these blocks inside of it in order, and once it reaches the end, it'll go back to the beginning and do the switch costume to kangaroo half jump, do that, and it'll do that a total of 3 times, and then it'll move on, and there's nothing after that, so everything will just end. So we have something similar with this grasshopper. We also have repeat 3 times, and within it we have some similar code where we're switching different costumes, so different poses for this grasshopper, and it will do something similar to the kangaroo. It's going to hop forward. So if we click the grasshopper, as you can see, it's jumping forward, and the idea is the same as with the kangaroo. The program's going to see this repeat block. It's going to go through all these things in order. Once it gets to the end, it's going to go back to the beginning. It's going to do all that 3 times, and then it's going to move on. And then we also have here this bee. You have a lot of stuff here, but what we want to look at is this thing that says when the sprite is clicked. So when we click the bee, it's going to repeat this 9 times. So he's going to change his pose, he's going to move 30 steps forward, he's going to wait, and then he's going to turn 45 degrees and then wait again. And the purpose of this program is to have the bee fly in a circle. So we're just going to click the bee, see what happens. And as you can see, he is flying around in a circle and turning around. So we have another repeat block here, repeat 9 times. So in each repeat, again, next costume, move 30 steps forward, wait, turn 45 degrees, and then wait again. Once it gets to the end, it's going to do that, go back to the beginning, do it again, go back to the beginning, do it again. It's going to do this a total of 9 times. So what we see here is that in all 3 of these programs, whenever we see a repeat block, all of the blocks inside of the repeat block are going to get played in order, and then they're going to go back to the beginning of the repeat block, play them in order again, and it's going to do that the exact number of times that we see this number here. So this is repeat 3, so it does it 3 times. Repeat 3, it'll do all these blocks 3 times in order. And here we have repeat 9, it'll do the same thing. Now if we were to, say, move this turn 45 degrees to the beginning, we can change the order of things. Remember, everything plays in order. So if I move this from the bottom here to the top, it'll instead turn 45 degrees first, then move. Then it'll turn 45 degrees first, again, change costume, then move again. So the order of the things in your repeats matter. And let's say I were to take this turn 45 degrees block out of the repeat loop entirely. Say move it over here. Well then, it's not inside the repeat 9 anymore. So instead we just have next costume, move 30, wait. And then it'll go back to the beginning. Next costume, move 30, wait. It'll do all these 3 blocks 9 times. And it won't do this. But once the repeat 9 is finished, then it'll move on. And then it'll turn 45 degrees and wait. But it'll only do it once, since it's outside the repeat. So nothing outside of the repeat is going to be repeated. Only the stuff inside the repeat gets repeated. And vice versa, everything inside of the repeat will get repeated the specified number of times no matter what. And it'll play it in the order that you tell it to play.